In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to control hyphenation and typography for specific languages in PowerPoint. Let's dive right in and unpack these steps so you can handle multilingual presentations with ease. Begin by launching PowerPoint on your desktop. Whether you're crafting a new presentation from scratch or revisiting a prior masterpiece, getting started is as simple as opening the application. Once PowerPoint is up and running, go ahead and either create a new presentation or open an existing one. Add in all your visual elements like photos, tables, and any other content that will make your presentation pop. It's worth spending a bit of time ensuring everything is laid out clearly, as this will be the foundation for your work on language and typography. Next, if you have existing text for which you want to set a specific language, you'll need to select it. This could be an individual word, an entire text box, or even a placeholder. Using your mouse or trackpad, click and drag over the exact text you want to modify. This step is crucial because we want to make sure that the language settings are applied precisely where they're needed. Once your text is selected, head over to the Review tab on the ribbon at the top of your screen. Here you'll find a variety of tools designed to help you polish your presentation. Look for the Language button, click on it, and from the drop-down menu, opt for Set Proofing Language. This is where you begin to tailor the text to suit the linguistic context you want. A dialog box will appear, and it's here that you can select the appropriate language for your text. You'll see a list of languages. Find and select the one that best fits the content you're presenting. This selection ensures that your text is formatted and proofed according to the linguistic rules of the chosen language. Now, if there are parts of your text where you prefer not to have spelling or grammar checked, this dialog box offers an option for that as well. Simply tick the checkbox next to Do Not Check Spelling or Grammar to bypass PowerPoint's proofing for the selected text. Once you're satisfied with your language selections and settings, click OK to apply these changes. It's as simple as that. The text you applied these settings to will now follow the spelling, hyphenation, and grammatical conventions of the chosen language. This customized approach not only elevates your presentation's professionalism, but also ensures clarity and comprehension for your target audience, regardless of the language they speak. By following these steps, you gain precise control over how languages are presented and formatted in your PowerPoint slides, ensuring your presentation is as impactful and effective as you intend it to be. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial brings your multilingual PowerPoint presentations to the next level.